I'm going to introduce about magnetic lock bracket. Okay, so there is so many type of bracket in the market. Okay, but how to choose the bracket? Do you know how to use for different type of door and different environment? Okay, so let's start. Alright, so I choose basically 4 type of bracket you can see common use in the outside or indoor outdoor. Okay, so firstly the common use one is this ZL bracket. Okay, so have 2-piece Z bracket like this and 1-piece Z bracket. So normally order like ZL. So this is first one. And next one is U bracket. Okay, this is normally used for glass door. Okay, for glass door, U bracket. And third one is this LC. Okay, LC bracket. Okay, here is an L type and have a cover. Okay, it looks like more nice. Okay, it looks like more nice. LC bracket. And the last one is for the plate. Okay, also like a cover. Okay, you can put the plate inside. So this is the fourth one. So let me introduce these 4 type bracket in details to you guys. Okay, follow us, don't forget, and you can give me a like if you like this video. Okay, thank you. Okay, first type is 280 kg ZL bracket. Okay, this is Z part. This is L part. And this is 280 kg magnetic lock. This is the plate. The plate will fix like this. Okay, so it will lock like this. Okay, this one will fix to the door. Lock and open, lock and open, lock and open. This is EPZL bracket. Okay, second type is EPU bracket. This is used for glass door. And put the plate inside. Okay, then lock with the magnetic lock. Lock, open, lock, open. Third type is EPLC bracket. Okay, EPLC bracket. This is the L bracket and have the cover. Used with 280 kg magnetic lock like this. Okay, this is a hole to the door. Fourth type is XB model, EPXB model. Put the plate inside like this, so it will work with magnetic lock. Lock, open, lock, open. For above bracket, the main function is used for magnetic lock. It's used for installation and some environment you want to fix more nicer, the design more nicer like this. This is the main function for bracket. Okay, so our bracket is normally ordered with magnetic lock. Okay, so do you understand already? Any question, please contact me. Okay, please contact me. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.